Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify Discord account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This process only takes a minute and is required to unlock all Discord features and join most servers. First, open the Discord app on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. From there, tap the settings icon in the top right corner, then select Account. Inside the Account section, you'll see a Verify option. Tap on Verify and Discord will prompt you to verify your email address. Now, open your email app, such as Gmail, and look for the verification email from Discord. Once you find it, open the email and click on Verify Email. After clicking the verification link, you'll be redirected to a page confirming that your email has been successfully verified. Now, go back to the Discord app, open Settings again, and check the Account section. You should now see that your email status is verified. And that's it. So that's basically how you can verify Discord account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.